positively impacted by doing tapping. If you snore, it's usually because you are dehydrated, or number one, you're overweight, number two, or the position of, or some obstruction in the nose. So you have to talk to a snoring expert. But again, in the book Breathe, and I mentioned it several times on this show, it talks about snoring. And there used to be a little product that came in a bottle like this, which had essential oils in it, and you sprayed it on the inside of your throat before you went to sleep, and it lubricated the inside of your throat. And so when your tissue was rubbing against each other, that's what snoring is: dry tissue rubbing against each other and flapping, and it makes a noise. But when you sprayed this, when the tissue, because you were fat, you had too much tissue, it wasn't dry anymore, it wouldn't make any noise.